Hey everyone, it's Amy and today is the first day of December, which is the first day of Vlogcember, and I look like I just woke up because I did. And yeah, I'm gonna do Vlogcember. I'm not gonna promise that every day is gonna be exciting because it's not. My life's pretty boring some days, and then other days I'm running around like a chicken with their head cut off. But I am going to get dressed and go hiking because I've been hiking a lot lately and it's just super fun. So let's go do that. So right now I am going hiking and it's like 10 minutes from my house, maybe. It's called Shelby Farms, and it's like it has like a huge agri center and they have farmers markets there all the time, and they have bison, and they have just like a bunch of hiking paths and like bike paths and pavilions, and there's like two sections, and I'm going to like the smaller section, I guess. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but there's like a main road called Walnut Grove. If you're from around here, know Memphis, the area, there's Walnut Grove, and it like splits it in half, and I'm going to the part that has the agri center, not the part that's like with the buffalo and like the lake and all the hiking paths and stuff, because there's just not as many people there, it's not as crowded, and I just like it better. There's this really cool like beach part I like, so that's what I'm doing now. The fun part is trying to get back up because it's so steep, and I'm like 5'2", which some people say is short. I don't think it's crazy short, but yeah, the hard part is trying to get back up because it's so steep. Hey guys, so let me pull my window up so it's less noisy, but I am just on my way home. I actually just went to Dunkin', and this is like reason number one why I will never be skinny, because I love bagels to death. Like just plain bagels, nothing on them. I love them, and Dunkin' has the best bagels ever. They're literally the best, so it's just like exactly why I will never be skinny, because I eat too many bagels. I could eat a bagel every single day, and honestly, sometimes I do. So this is one of the many reasons that I'll never be skinny. So yeah, that's how my day is going. So I am home now, and I have like a cart with stuff in it on forever21.com. But I am thinking that I might want to, sorry, I always look at the thingy, that I might want to go to Forever 21 or the mall that's here in Memphis, because I just got brand new jeans from PacSun, like jeans that actually fit me, because I've been like losing weight, trying to get little again, and I'm getting there. But they're like literally the only styles they have are like super high-waisted, and two, I wouldn't mind getting some long sleeve crop tops that like aren't hoodies that I cut for like when we go out at night. And you know, I'm just like, I'm feeling myself. Like I think I look, you know, decent in a crop top. Not perfect, I am trying my best, but I wouldn't mind getting some. So I have like 3 in my cart on Forever 21 online, but I'm honestly kind of tempted to go to the mall and check it out. So I think I'm gonna do that and see what goodies I can find from Forever 21 and Charlotte Russe and wherever else. This like makes my house look super empty, but look, I have a mirror. I promise it's not. I just like things clean and simple. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna do that. And my feet are all sandy from hiking. So, you know. Also, I hate to ramble on, but yeah, I just got 2 brand new pairs from PacSun. They're gonna be in a Black Friday haul. I'm literally just waiting for my like 30 candles to get shipped here because I had them shipped from Chicago to, sorry, my friend, from Chicago to Memphis because there was no way I was getting 30 candles back on an airplane. So I'm just waiting for that and I'm gonna do a haul, but let me show you the jeans super quick. So they were buy one, get one 50% off, I think. Yeah, so I got these high-rise ankle jeggings. They're both in the size 24. And I think that's the smallest size they have. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the smallest size they have. And I got mom jeans, which, you know, are looser, but the waist is literally, like, do you guys see that? It's like 2 inches bigger. And like, I like how they fit in my thighs because they do have some pretty thick thighs. I honestly think that's where all my fat is my thighs, and I got a little bit of a belly. But I don't know, like, I don't know if I want to exchange them for a smaller size or if I should just wait. But like, they gape in the back. I mean, all my clothes do, but like, I just bought them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys, but I think it's just the style because they're supposed to be loose, but I don't know. Hey everyone, you just saw that. I was at Forever 21. A little bit of time has passed. It's 4 o'clock now and I'm just being really bad and I just ordered Uber Eats. Ordered Mexican food from my favorite Mexican place. And I keep telling myself that I need to stop because it's so unhealthy and so bad, but it's so freaking good. I got water. Well, it's like an ice cube, but water. But it's so unhealthy and I'm trying to be skinny. I need to stop ordering Uber Eats. Uber Eats was the worst thing to ever happen to me. Look at my Wooly I finally got. My sorority did this order, Alpha Delta Pi Gamma Eta, and I got a large and I'm not even mad because the oversized look is so in style in Tennessee and in the South, and it's just cute. It is like white though, so it's not gonna go up north to my parents. But yeah, I love it. And I got a large, so it's big, but it's cute and I'm so excited and it's so fuzzy and woolly. And I have one other one, it's a Memphis one, and that one's like an extra large, but you know, and I'm wearing shorts because I'm at home lounging. Okay, so know how my last clip ended with me getting Mexican and I thought my night was over? Well, my sister just invited me to a Grizz game for free. The Grizzlies are the NBA team here in Memphis. So that's what I'm gonna go do. It's 6 now and she said she was on her way. The game starts at 7. So yeah. That's what we're doing, and this is my cute little outfit. Breaking out my mom jeans. Oh yeah. And my new sweater. So yeah. So I'll probably get some clips from the game on my phone, and yeah. So it's literally like, I can't tell what time it is because my security system is turning on right now. But it's super late. I literally was expecting to go to bed at like 7 p.m. today, and then my friend got some free Grizzly season pass floor seats. My sister did, so we went to that, and then we were just talking, and we have to get up so early because kickoff's at 11 a.m. tomorrow. So we're gonna see each other bright and early at like 8 a.m. and I was gonna shower, and now I'm too tired. But I will roll the few clips I got from the Grizzly game right now. And that wraps up Vlogcember day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for all my other ones. I'm still going to be posting an outfit of the week every single week, so stay tuned for that, and possibly one bonus video. Honestly, depends, especially with all the Vlogcember videos, but stay tuned for that. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be, sorry, my security system and my phone just went off at the same time. But follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the end slate right after this clip, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!